Hi guys, welcome to our Wix Studio Editor series. Ever wondered how some websites keep a menu or an image perfectly still while the rest of the page moves? That's called pinning. And in Wix Studio, it's as easy as a single click. Let's look at how to lock your content in place. First, select the element that you would like to pin. Say, for example, this button. Go to the inspector panel, which you can open through this button here on the top right. Go to the layout tab and under position, go to position type and on this drop down, change it to pinned. And on this pin to drop down, make sure to select page. Now we're going to adjust where we would like it to be pinned. So say for example here, and we're going to see if it worked. So we're going to go ahead and preview it. And as you can see, our element is in place. And basically, that's it. If this video was helpful, if you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.